Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be feeding my son beans. This is pottage beans, black eyed peas. I boiled it very soft with black eyed peas, lots of crayfish, onions, little pepper, palm oil, and just mild seasoning. He loves beans so much, and since it's highly the one I made, the way I prepare it, I ensure it's highly protein dense. I'll be offering it to him. That's my daughter over there. She just came back from school and she's having some oranges. She loves oranges, so she's taking some oranges. So watch me as I feed him. So we are done, finished, all cleared, everything finished. He even wants more. He's asking for more. He's trying to get more, but that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Bye bye.